I'm currently in a Royal Suite on board an Avalon Suite ship. At 300 square feet, it's the largest room on the ship and also the largest room in their fleet. So if you follow me around, you've got a large TV, flat screen TV in the main seating area right as you walk in. You've got a bookshelf here with a library of books that's already there, and then you also can swap them out with the ones that are in the back of the ship in the lounge. Below you have some more storage here, a couple shelves. And then as we move over, you have a large vanity, also a great work area as well. So we've got some storage over here on the side. Okay. And then as we move over, you've got a fully stocked mini bar with beer, wine, soda, and juices and things like that. Okay. And then the seating area, which is perfect for 4 people or so. So if you have another couple you're traveling with or some friends or family that are on board, it's a great place to get together. And what I love is you've got the 11-foot sliding window here, which is the signature of the Avalon Suite ships. Okay. What I love about it is that it turns your room into the balcony. So if there's inclement weather, it's too warm, it's too cold, it's rainy, it's windy, you can shut the window and you have this beautiful view. Or if not, you can open it up and your room actually becomes the balcony. So we're docked in Amsterdam right now. So you can see the buildings right across the way here. But you can see it gives you a great breeze and the whole room opens up. And so now your room is what you're looking at. So now we're heading into the sleeping area. Okay. Currently, it's set up with 2 twin beds, so perfect for 2 friends that are traveling together. A lot of space in the room as well, but they can put the beds together to make one large one. And one of the things that I love that Avalon does is they put a seamless mattress topper on there. So if there's a twin bed, they have a twin topper. If it's together, then they have a large queen topper on there. So it just feels like one bed. You've got the 2 nightstands, of course, which are great for storage as well. The ability to control the volume, USB chargers by the bed. I really like that as well. Of course, the second TV. And then you have a second window here. So it's kind of like a bonus French balcony. But when you open up this and the other one, now you've got a huge open air room. This side of the bed also gets a great way to look out straight at the view. So now I'm going to head into the bathroom area. Okay. One of the things I really appreciate about this room, and for most suites on cruise ships, is that there's a separate toilet area with a small sink, so your guests would never have to use the main part of the bathroom. So if you have friends over for a cocktail before dinner, it's perfect for that. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and move into the main bathroom. So what you'll see is it's large. It's a really nice space. You got his and hers vanities here, the L'Occitane bath amenities as well. One of the little touches that I love is you've got a brown towel and a white towel. They do that in all the rooms. So, each of you has your own towel, same with hand towels. And it's a really large shower as well. I know that because I'm 6'6" and I can fit pretty well. Okay. So I love that the shower adjusts up, perfect for me. And then you have a little bench right there as well, which is just another bonus to have in any shower. So lastly, we'll head over to the entryway, which is the last bit of storage in the room. So as I open these up, you've got a large wardrobe here with the ability to hang up all of your stuff. You can also get extra hangers as you like, and then of course the shelf on top as well. And then the closet over here is going to have the safe. It's going to have your robes, and then just a lot more storage for you to utilize. You've just experienced a Royal Suite on board an Avalon Suite ship. Thanks so much for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you'd like to book this room or any other room on the ship, or any river cruise for that matter, please reach out and we'd be happy to help.